Press star and hex. After that, just key in your admin password. Press hex.
Successful. 1.
Okay, after that you can see first one, users manage, press 1. Add admin, press 1. If you want to register the card, fingerprint and the password is press 1.
Enter user ID.
Okay, after that need to press hex to confirm. Okay, just put your password. Press hex. Double put your password, double check again, press hex. Okay, already successful. After that, you want to register your card just using your card tab between 5 and 8.
Successful. Number 0.
Okay, after that, you want to register your fingerprint. You need to put your finger behind here, the sensor. You need over the panel. The sensor, you need over. After that, same place and same angle. 5 times put same angle. Already successful.
Number
Okay.
004.
Already successful. After that, you just press 1 time to start. You want to register the face, press 2.
Enter user ID.
And then you need to press the hex, confirm.
Number 004. Look at camera.
Okay, so you need to look at your camera.
Turn face left slightly. Turn face right slightly. Look down face slightly. Look up face slightly. Successful.
Already successful.
1. Enter unlock key. 2. Enroll facing.
So you can press the start, exit the setting.
Exit.